In a quiet village, nestled between rolling hills, there lived a little boy named Leo. Every night, Leo would gaze at the stars, dreaming of adventures in the sky. He loved to imagine what it would be like to touch a star and discover its secrets. One evening, as Leo was stargazing, he noticed a bright light flickering on the ground. Curious, he followed the glow and found a small, shining star lying in the grass. It looked sad and lost. "Why are you here?" Leo asked gently. "I fell from the sky and can't find my way back home," the star replied, its voice soft like a whisper. "Without me, the night will be darker." Determined to help, Leo thought hard. "I'll help you get back," he exclaimed. "But how?" The star twinkled with hope. "You must climb the highest hill and call for the moon. She will know how to help me." Without hesitation, Leo set off on his adventure. He climbed the steep hill, feeling the cool breeze against his face. When he reached the top, he shouted into the night, "Moon, please help my friend!" Suddenly the moon appeared, glowing brighter than ever. "What troubles you, brave boy?" she asked. "Please help this lost star find its way home," Leo pleaded. The moon smiled warmly. "You have shown great kindness, Leo. Close your eyes and make a wish." Leo squeezed his eyes shut and wished with all his heart for the star to return home. In an instant, a soft light enveloped the star, lifting it gently into the air. "Thank you, Leo. I will always remember your kindness." The star twinkled as it soared back into the sky, joining the other stars. From that night on, whenever Leo looked up at the stars, he could see his friend shining brightly, a reminder that even the smallest act of kindness can light up the darkest nights.